Have you ever noticed that on almost every corner, you can find a pharmacy or drugstore? It's true, they're everywhere. As our population ages, more and more people are using medications on a regular basis. And because of this, there is a demand for well-trained pharmacy techs in the greater Milwaukee area. At Milwaukee Career College, we can give you the hands-on training you need to become a pharmacy technician. In just a few months, you can be trained and ready to begin your new career working in retail pharmacies, compounding pharmacies, hospitals, clinics, and a variety of other settings. In the MCC Pharmacy Technician program, you'll be training in a realistic pharmacy setting. You'll learn by doing and working with industry professionals who will teach you the right skills for the job. Being a pharmacy tech is a great career for a person who wants to work in healthcare, enjoys a fast-paced environment, and wants to be involved in helping people every day. If you are ready for a high-demand, hands-on career that can have you job-ready in months rather than years, then consider becoming a pharmacy tech at Milwaukee Career College.